Hey everyone, you are watching Technology Welfare. In this tutorial, I will show you everything step by step with real demonstrations how to rescue off your Gmail password in case someone who has stolen, mistakenly someone who has changed everything, or due to old ID you forgot your Gmail password. You don't know what's your the recovery email and the phone so that easily you can rescue of it. Then of course you can rescue it here without having the recovery email and recovery phones via this strategy. Hi, this is a technology welfare, and this idea has been recommended by one viewer who has lost his device, and due to losing of his device now, he has recommended because he was fiasco to rescue of this area, extremely exhausted because he doesn't have the recovery email and the recovery phone so that he can rescue of his Gmail password easily. So he has recommended, let's try, we will try to generate a more alternative options to the rescue of it and see what's happening here. It is asking especially recovery, especially last password. We don't have a last password, so just we will tap on a try another way. And here is asking phone. We don't have a phone, so just we will tap, and it's saying that you did not provide enough information for the Google to be sure that this account is really your. Yes, Google ask for this information to keep your account secure. So if you would like to rescue, then you will have to answer his question. So second is that if your account is managed with the family link or any alternative email, then we have the send an email to your parents to change your password or the rest of it. We quit all options because this is not possible from my side, guys, here. So just we will cut it from here and directly we will come in the Play Store. Take this strategy one time and you will see that how easily this can be. So don't be panicked. Just yes, watch carefully step by step. Don't skip ahead. Every step is going to be very crucial for you. So now here on a search bar, we will have to write here ULLA ULA browser. Of course, we will go for ULA browser. And now see here. Of course, we will come on here. And when we write here ULA browser, we will have options, and that is especially once again we will tap here. Let me write. Let me write browser. BRO. Yes. WER. And of course, we will tap on it. And we can see here what is changed. This is. Yes, so we can see here all the browser is coming here, but we will have to pick here one browser that is especially DuckDuckGo, this one browser. Yes, now we will go for here, click on here. This will also give you and the ULA browser that is not coming. Both server will give you one side, so no problem at all. We will tap on this DuckDuckGo and now see it's installing files. It has been installed. Now what we will do, guys, here, just we will cut it from here, and upon of course we will come in. Let's cut it, and upon two changes that is very crucial, guys. Firstly, we will have to come on a hold this G browser, and we will have to come in a app info. It's taking, sorry, just let me cut it from here, and where I was especially here, just we will hold this and we'll tap on this, and thereupon of course we'll have to come in notifications to make it tap to especially off and taking your smartphones, guys. Apply a similar strategy, of course, step by steps. Now what we will do, just we will come the locations to make it the precise location of click here, don't allow, so it's a sanction that no longer the function as intended of this browser. Hence no problem at all. So just we will tap on a one more time, so backs, and here is open. Set as a default. Set as a default, we will have to just we will go the inside and check it out, make it clear. If it is enabled that open supported links, that you will have to make it disable. As we know that we have another browser, that is a Chrome. Of course, we will have to apply this strategy similarly on it. So just we will tap on it, and after tapping, so what we will do, just we will come notifications. In notification, we will make it off, and then we will back and we'll come in a permissions too, of course. We'll make it the precise location, and the remove permission free of his page. We will come in a location, make the customize the precise location. So here it's already not allowed, but we can see here this is off. You will have enable, so make it this one. You will have to make it disable, and the phone we will click here, don't allow. So it will ask you also no longer the function is intended. Everything's finished. Now that we will come on here too, of course, we will have to open this DuckDuckGo browser. If you write ULA or DuckDuckGo browsers, both will be especially open this one. So now it's welcoming, so no problem at all. So we will have to wait here. Yes, we will come now. Let's go. And now here is asking browser. Just we will click here. We will go for cancels, and of course here we'll go for next, and we'll go for especially next. Now we can see here directly we come in the search bar to here. We will have to write that is especially Google. Let's see, and we will come to Google, and at the corner so we can see here will be a green sign to a shining. So we are waiting for just we will click on these links, and now we are on a green sign. Just we will tap on it, and here is now asking that we will write here that is especially ID. Yes, let me fix this one from here so that it will save my times. Now we will click on here. Now we can see here, click on a forgot, and when we click on a forgot, it's in the fully secure, guys. Here it is asking the last password. We don't have last password, so of course we will try to always. Now this is verified number. So just we will click here, don't have, so because if you have, then you can text and call and get an OTP, and then you can easily respond from this. Right now. Here is that answer as many questions as you can. Use a device where you have the sign in before, and the third is the alternative email or family link. Should we have the sense in your email to the parents to the change your password? We don't have. To also the create, but here are more tips to the response this house. We have to fix these ones to address. So what we'll do guys here, don't click on here, try again. Simply we will cut it from here, and we will come now Play Store, not a Play Store, sorry, in the setting. We'll have to take the Google Assistant now. In Google Assistant, there you will have option that Google services and the preferences. Just where it is, yeah. Google services and the preferences. Of course, we will come in a help option. Now that we are taking, and the Google will assist you to rescue here easily. But here you will have to especially give option that is a hacked Gmail recovery, of course, because it has been hacked. So just we will go for here, or someone else is using, so no problem at all. Now secure hacked or compromised Google accounts. Yes, someone else is using, so that's why I have the compromise. Now that we would like to the rescue. Now here we can see review your account activities. Of course we would like to the rescue, and here is option that find out if your account has been hacked. Tap on this. When we tap that, gradually of course you would be move on here these tabs to the rescue of it, and when we tap on it check it out that you are on a right recovery page, that is a create or replacement Google accounts account. Is that yes about getting locked out of your Gmail accounts? What if I can't sign in? Of course we will come on a special account recovery this page. We are on a right recovery page now, because would be especially now directly here. Just a little bit we will tap on here, and which one ID that you would like to rescue. Yes, this is ID that you would like to rescue. Within one click, it will welcome to you guys anyhow. Now see. Now what we will do guys here, don't click on a continue, otherwise would be trapped in its verify option. So you are not in the positions to verify yourself because of yes you don't have the recovery email, the recovery phone, and the recovery email was not added, but recovery phone number was verified. So just we will tap on this. Firstly we will have to remove the verified number, so we will come in here and directly we will create the strong password, confirm that password and save it. After saving the password, we will firstly go in a Google account management there, add a firstly recovery. We will have to go in a Google account management to a security. In there firstly we will have to add a alternative email as a recovery, so that as a there was options in that any alternative email or family links, and then we have the centered OTP that we will have to follow the guideline there. And after adding that, we can get an OTP on a recovery email that you have added, or alternative email that you have added, and then Yes, we can terminate or remove the permanently. Yes, recovery phone numbers that was added, and when we remove some, then we can add a new phone numbers, and these are will be fully secured as usually that you are using or you haven't used. So guys, further we cannot show you because of course this is a privacy concern of my viewer who was actually in a depression. So because there's a lot of the private data, and of course was in anxiety also as we say. But finally we have to respond that it's my duty to, yes, of course, secure is the private data also. So further we cannot, but apply similar steps that I have mentioned to you. So thank you for staying with this tutorial, guys. And hi, this is Technology Welfare, and I will be back with a step-by-step with new tutorial. So don't forget, like, subscribe, and share these contents because they really support the channel and also inspires. So thank you.